ultimate spot. Calm Republic Manila, get what you got.
What's up, bro?
How much?
How much?
How much? How much?
Yung last hold niya, bro, for nasa 4K USD. Pero siguro kung papakawalan ko siya, bro, around 4-5 value.
Sige. Check ko lang. If ever kaya mo ba trade? Ito kasi gusto ko lang i-out ngayon. So, baka
Jordan
interested
Intense.
siya.
Grabe, guys. Pangatlong beses ko na ito nakahawakan tong ganitong klaseng card
Ano yan?
in less than a month.
Oh, nakita ko nga eh.
Magkano na ba ito ngayon?
Nasa 2-1 ata.
I think tumaas, no?
Last sold 2-1 to 150. Pero before nun, merong 2-3 years.
Oh, okay.
If ever, how much yung add kong cash?
So kung at 4-5 value, bro, tas 2-3 ka, around 134 ang additional na cash.
Kaya mo bang 4K value? Tapos minus 2-3. So, around 105K cash. Ano?
115 cash, bro. Magkano yung halfway?
110.
110.
Yun na.
Plus 111.5.
Galing.
Ha?
Pangkape.
Pangkape. Oh, pambayad ko sa parking, pambayad ko sa table, bro.
Ah, tama.
Oo naman, bigyan mo naman. Mayaman ka naman eh.
Morning.
Warning.
Hey.
Warning.
Hey.
Nasama sa 3 game.
Kung pa rin joke.
Okay, guys. I'm with Gamma of Clamor for Cards. Meron kaming trade plus cash deal. Okay, so we are trading away our Steph Curry 2024 Prism Black Blue Eyes out of 125. PSA 10. Masakit na masakit. And in return, I'm getting the MJ Intense BGS 9.5 plus cash. Thank you, bro. Plus
Calm Republic Manila,
Video na
where
lang,
it's
no?
at.
Oh, yeah.
Calm Republic Manila, you
Thank you.
stay on track.
Thank you.
Calm Republic Manila, the ultimate spot. Calm Republic Manila, get what you got. Calm Republic Manila, the ultimate spot. Calm Republic Manila, get what you got.
What's up, bro?
How much?
How much?